So is the new Kanhaiya video doctor? To explain this story to you, I've walked across to the India Today Mediaplex edit base. This is where our video editors and producers put our broadcasts together. And sitting here with my colleague, I will explain to you how 3 separate clips have been brought together to try and create the impression that at the event at which Kanhaiya was present, anti-India sloganeering took place and seditious comments were made. Take a look at this India Today exclusive. This new video from Jawaharlal Nehru University is from the 11th of February, 2 days after the now infamous Pro-Afzal anti-India event organized by the Democratic Students Union. This video has gone viral on social media and is being played up aggressively on some Hindi and English news channels. The anti-Kanhaiya brigade is calling this clinching proof of the JNU students' body president raising anti-India slogans. Let's listen first to the full audio of this 20-second clip. So did Kanhaiya actually participate in anti-India sloganeering, or is the truth something completely different? Take a look now at the same video as seen from another angle. In this second video, suddenly the anti-India slogans can no longer be heard. The chant is still one that seeks Azadi, but the Azadi that is being sought is freedom from casteism, freedom from feudalism, freedom from Brahmanism, and freedom from Manuwad. So what explains the difference in the 2 videos that show the same scene but have completely different implications? To unravel this mystery, let's take you back to this video. Shot on the 9th of February, where a group of students are demanding Azadi for Kashmir. What seems to have happened is that somebody has taken the audio from the video which was shot on the 9th of February and overlaid it on the video that was shot 2 days later on the 11th of February, which is why the audio that can be heard is so completely different. In a highly surcharged atmosphere, it is important to proceed with caution. It's best for the judiciary to decide whether or not Kanhaiya is guilty of sedition, instead of politicians rushing to provide certificates of innocence or guilt. This is Rahul Kamal reporting for India Today. Let me now try and show this to you on our edit bay. This is my colleague Rajat Puri. He's a video editor with India Today. Rajat, explain what's going on. So if my camera person Ankur can just come behind us. We've got Subodh in front. So explain what really happened here.
Rahul, this is the first clip which is doctored and which is running from last 24 hours on social media. And as you can hear, this is a doctored clip. Okay.
Now how do you know it's doctored?
Because the voice, the slogans what they're chanting are not the slogans which they chanted on the original clip. Now you can see the original clip here, which is the second clip, which you can hear the slogans are completely different. So they are not chanting the anti-India slogans here. And if you see the slogans they picked up from the third clip, which was on shot on 9th February. Okay, now you can hear the audio and you can make out this audio has been picked up and merged with this particular clip, and this is how they did it.
So you're saying that we can do exactly the same thing. So the same clip that's been playing on certain TV stations and also going viral on social media, Rajat here can make the same clip. What he's done is he's taken, you see there are these are audio layers. Just try and zoom in a little bit. These are audio layers. He's taken the audio layer of this clip from the 9th of February. He's merged it with the audio layer of this clip from the 11th of February. And the moment you merge it, voila.
Now you can hear it the way they have mixed it. It's like echoing, the sound is echoing, and you're hearing the anti-Indian slogans.
So just one second. This is the clip that you've created over here. Now take this back to the original clip. Not the original clip, the original fake clip. The clip that's gone viral.
This is the clip. Where you can hear the echo and the sound is not clear. Whereas the original clip, you have the sound which is very clear. And
so he is asking for Azadi, but that is Azadi from Brahmanwad, that is Azadi from Samantwad, which is feudalism, from capitalism, from the RSS. He's asking for Azadi, but it is not the pro-Afzal, anti-India, free Kashmir slogans.
And the fake Kashmir slogans have been picked from the 9th February clip, which is
a dark clip. And just zoom in over here. This is a dark clip. You can't see who is there in that clip. Kanhaiya can't be seen here, but that's where the audio is coming from and is merged with the clip from the 11th to try and create the impression that this is a seditious clip, seditious sloganeering by Kanhaiya Kumar. I want to go across and get some political reactions. Joining us on this broadcast now is Sanjay Jha of the Congress Party. Sanjay, on India Today, and I'm not casting aspersions on any one particular person, I'm not saying who did it, but very clearly certain TV channels have fallen for it, created a huge amount of hype and hysteria around it. But what we've been able to demonstrate to our viewers conclusively is that there's something wrong with that